With over 8 million species of animals worldwide, how many of these can actually kill you? Which are the deadliest of them all? In today's video, we will be taking a look at the 5 most poisonous animals on planet Earth. Number 5. Box jellyfish. This transparent sea creature is not only deadly, but also one of the most venomous animals in the world. The box jellyfish has been responsible for thousands of human deaths and even more injuries. They get their name from their box-like shaped bell, which can grow to be as big as 39 inches. The tentacles on the box jellyfish can reach lengths of up to 10 feet. If you were ever to swim into one of these, you would feel a sharp, searing pain. The venom is so powerful that it can cause paralysis and death within minutes. There is no anti-venom for box jellyfish stings. So if you are stung by one, your best chance of survival is to pluck the tentacles off with tweezers. Even then, there's a good chance you won't make it. This might be why they call them sea wasps. They're not called that because they can smell bad. It's because they are as dangerous as a wasp sting and just as likely to take your life. It's estimated that between 1960 and 2008, there were 6,150 reported deaths due to box jellyfish stings. That's almost one person per day being killed by this animal. Where do box jellyfish live? You might be surprised to hear that they have been found in almost every ocean around the world. Their preferred habitat is in shallow coastal waters, especially near river mouths. This is where they feed on plankton and other small fish. But this also means that they are often in areas frequented by humans. And this is how many people end up being stung by them. No, for stonefish. The stonefish gets its name from its ability to camouflage itself against rocks and coral reefs. This makes it very difficult to see, which is part of what makes it so deadly. Its scientific name is Cynansia varicosa. And the word varicosa means warty or rough. This refers to the rough, bumpy skin that the stonefish has, which helps it blend in with its surroundings. The stonefish is a type of scorpionfish, which is why it has the word scorpion in its common name. Like other scorpionfish, it has a venomous spine on its tail that it uses to stun its prey. The venom of the stonefish is one of the most potent in the world. It contains a neurotoxin that can paralyze its victim. The toxin works by blocking the nerve impulses that tell the muscles to move. This can cause paralysis within minutes, which can lead to death. What makes the stonefish so dangerous is that it is often found in shallow waters where people swim and dive. Its camouflage abilities make it very difficult to see, so it is easy to step on or touch one without knowing it. The venom of the stonefish can be deadly to humans. In fact, it is responsible for a number of deaths each year. The best way to avoid being stung by a stonefish is to wear water shoes when swimming or diving in rocky areas. If you do get stung, it is important to seek medical attention immediately. There is no anti-venom for stonefish stings, so treatment is usually supportive care. This may include pain medication and respiratory support if necessary. Number 3. Blue-ringed octopus. The blue-ringed octopus is a small but extremely venomous creature that lives in the Pacific and Indian Oceans. Despite its small size, the blue-ringed octopus is one of the most venomous animals in the world. Its venom is so powerful that it can kill a human in a matter of hours. The blue-ringed octopus gets its name from the blue rings that appear on its body when it is agitated. These rings are actually a warning sign to predators that the octopus is venomous. Despite this warning, many people are still killed by blue-ringed octopus stings each year. The venom of the blue-ringed octopus is a complex mixture of toxins that affect the nervous system. When the octopus stings its prey, the venom is released into the bloodstream. This can cause paralysis, difficulty breathing, and even death. There is no cure for a blue-ringed octopus sting. The best way to avoid being stung by one of these creatures is to stay away from them. If you do encounter a blue-ringed octopus, do not try to touch or handle it. Instead, swim away slowly and calmly. If you are stung by a blue-ringed octopus, seek medical attention immediately. Number 2. Inland taipan. The inland taipan is a highly venomous snake that lives in Australia. It is one of the most venomous snakes in the world and is responsible for a number of deaths each year. The inland taipan gets its name from its native habitat in the interior of the Australian continent. It is a large snake that can grow up to 8 feet in length. The inland taipan is a very active snake and is often seen hunting during the day. It feeds on other snakes, birds, and mammals. The venom of the inland taipan is extremely potent contains a neurotoxin that can paralyze its victim. The toxin works by blocking the nerve impulses that control muscle movement. This can cause paralysis, difficulty breathing, and eventually death. The inland taipan is one of the most dangerous snakes in the world and should be avoided at all costs. If you are bitten by an inland taipan, seek medical attention immediately. There is no antivenom for this snake's bite, so treatment is usually supportive care. This may include pain medication and respiratory support if necessary. Number 1. Mosquito. It might surprise you to hear that the most dangerous animal in the world is not a shark, a lion, or even a hippopotamus. It's a mosquito. Mosquitoes are responsible for more human deaths than any other animal. They are also the deadliest animal in the world. Every year, mosquitoes kill more people than humans kill mosquitoes. In fact, it is estimated that every year around the world, there are 725,000 deaths caused by mosquitoes. Most of these deaths are due to malaria, a disease that is spread by mosquitoes. Malaria is a parasite that causes fever, chills, and flu-like symptoms. It can be deadly if left untreated. While there are now effective treatments available for malaria, in many parts of the world where mosquitoes are prevalent, access to these treatments is limited. This means that many people who contract the disease die from it. There are also other diseases that are spread by mosquitoes, such as yellow fever, dengue fever, and Zika virus. While these diseases are not as deadly as malaria, they can still cause serious illness and death. Mosquitoes are also responsible for the deaths of many animals each year. They transmit diseases to animals in the same way that they transmit diseases to humans. One of the most devastating diseases that mosquitoes spread to animals is avian influenza. Avian influenza is a virus that can infect both birds and humans. In birds, it can cause severe illness and death. Outbreaks of avian influenza in poultry flocks can have devastating consequences for farmers and the poultry industry. Mosquitoes are also known to transmit diseases to other animals, including horses, dogs, and cats. So that wraps up our list of the 5 most poisonous animals. Did you think we missed any? So let us know in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.